Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Nick. Now, first up, I want to say a big thank you to everyone over the last few months who have been commenting and writing on all my videos. I generally scroll through all your comments, I read them, I really appreciate them, and when I can, I try to write back to you all. But one of the biggest comments I seem to get on all of my videos is how I edit my videos and how I create my graphics. Well, I want to say it's actually quite easy to create graphics when your whole studio is actually a virtual set. Now, for example, this desk, it's a hologram. See? And this studio behind me, it's not real either. And that may have you asking, is Nick even real?
So creating graphics, isn't that hard when you're, hang on one second.
There we go. It isn't that hard when you're working in complete holographic space. Well, with that said, let's jump into the video. It's why you clicked on the thumbnail. Let's check out some of the coolest tech in 2021. So with so many new gadgets and tech dropping this year, I thought I might do a little bit of a roundup and showcase some of it here on the channel. So this is my top 10 coolest tech of 2021. Now let's jump in with number 10. Earlier this year at CES 2021, LG Display unveiled its transparent TV with an OLED display. With several concept videos showing these transparent screens being displayed and being used in different scenarios, the standout to me was LG's concept of the sushi bar / restaurant application. This would allow customers to be able to sit down in front of the screen, browse through different menu items, then place their order just like a regular screen. Now, LG also showed off a bedroom concept, seeing the panel being built into a frame that's designed to sit at the foot of your bed. Number 9. It's early days, but Xiaomi has shown off a demo of a product it's planning to put on sale this year. Now, according to the demo video, you'll be able to walk into a room and your phone will start charging. Yes, that's right, it will charge your phone through the air, even if there are objects in the way. This technology uses 144 micro antennas to transfer energy to your phone via a narrow wave beam. Eventually, Xiaomi says it could be used to charge multiple devices at once in a room it's placed in. Now, my only thoughts are, what is this going to do to your internals? Drop me a comment below to let me know what your thoughts are. Number 8. Now, this next little bit of tech is for all you cocktail lovers out there. It's called the Bartesian at-home cocktail machine. You can now make high-quality cocktails at home with this Nespresso-style mixer. Once you've loaded up all your favorite whiskeys, vodka, rum, gin, and tequila, you'll be able to make perfect cocktails in seconds. You just place one of the cocktail mixing pods into the Bartesian cocktail machine, then select how strong you want the cocktails to be, push the button, watch the magic happen. Now, I don't know about you, this is definitely making me thirsty for a cocktail. Now, let's take a trip back to our childhood memories here with this tech. Now, this is the updated 2021 version of the old Mario Kart racing. Now, the updated version of the game mixes real-world remote control cars that have an onboard camera that allows you to play the game not only in the real world, but simultaneously in the gaming world as well. This places augmented reality gameplay on your screen while using the Nintendo Switch system to control your remote control car. Basically, you can set up your own real-world race course and turn your home into a Mario Kart course of your own design by placing gates and customizing the race course to your home office space. You can use objects from around the house to customize your course and add challenges, then watch the game transform your home into a Mario Kart world. And just like the old days, even the Rainbow Road makes an appearance as well. Number 6. Now, Zoom has become the go-to video conferencing app during the last year, but the company has found that people are still struggling to set up the equipment and the software to run a meeting effectively. The company's answer to this is an all-in-one device dubbed the Zoom for Home DTEN Mi. It's a standalone 27-inch touchscreen equipped with 3 wide-angle cameras designed for high-resolution video and 8 microphones. Zoom software is preloaded onto the device and the interface is designed to provide easy access to the popular Zoom features. This is Zoom's big push to make being connected to people over video as easy as possible. Number 5. Now to the next evolution of gaming. This next bit of tech from Razer is their concept for a next-gen gaming chair. This bit of tech might be best described as a luxury gaming pod. The chair features an arc-like retractable, transparent 60-inch OLED screen that wraps around for truly immersive gaming with a panoramic view. The bucket seat is made from carbon fiber and has the classic Razer RGB lighting piping the edge of the chair. Now the chair also has a table that folds in and out for PC to console ease. Now much like the haptic feedback incorporated into Razer's surround sound headset, the chair's frame is equipped to vibrate throughout gameplay. Even though this is just a concept, I'm definitely looking forward to when this chair drops. Number 4. Have you ever wanted to make your very own home brew of beer? Well, this next bit of tech is an all-in-one worktop home brewing machine, which takes you from raw ingredients to a keg of freshly poured beer in around 10 days. The Craft is effectively an all-in-one microbrewery. Now, beginners can pick the type of beer they want to make using brew kits, but more experienced brewers can use the app to create your very own liquid masterpiece. Number 3. bHapticsTactSuit times 40. Now this is a tactical body vest that you wear while gaming. If you've ever wanted to feel the bullets hit you while gaming, then this bit of tech is for you. Now with the one-size-fits-all design, the vest has 40 built-in feedback points. It completely immerses you in any type of content, whether you're using VR, PC, or console gaming. The positional touch sensory feedback will truly transport you into the gameplay. Imagine getting hit from the right and feeling it hit your chest, or maybe getting hit from the back and it hits you right solid hard in the back. Number 2. Now, if feeling the hits and impacts isn't enough for you and you want more, you want to be more immersive, then this next bit of tech you're definitely going to want to get your hands on. The Omni One VR treadmill will truly make your home virtual reality experience as great as possible. This home VR treadmill lets you move up, down, side to side, and in all 360 degrees. What's more, it can even detect if you crouch or kneel. With the diameter only reaching 4 feet, it won't take up much space in your home either. Now this coupled with the bHaptic vest will be a truly awesome gaming experience. Now to my number 1 coolest gadget of the year. It's the new drone from DJI. It's called the DJI FPV Drone. Now for anyone wanting to get into FPV droning, or you maybe don't even know what that means, it stands for first person view. It allows the person flying the drone to control it through a radio controller, giving them first person view through the camera to a set of goggles. Now up until this point, most people have had to custom make their very own FPV drone. Now DJI has taken these drones mainstream and created a drone that beginners can learn how to fly and enter the FPV drone market. Now with lots of safety and different level settings, DJI has really made this drone so everyone can fly it. They've also released a very cool motion control that allows you to fly the drone with movement over your hand. Now I've watched many hours of FPV droning and it still blows me away. So that's why I think this is my number 1 pick in the coolest tech of this year. Now let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and what is your favorite tech out of this list, or maybe you even have some other tech that I didn't add into this list. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. It helps support the video and my channel. Now, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. Now, I make cool videos on all kinds of tech that I find interesting and want to showcase to you guys. Now, if you do want to see some more videos from me, I would recommend one of these 2 videos right here. They're really fun and I think you'll enjoy them. Well, my name's Nick, this is TechSpace. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.